How to make vegetable minestrone soup on the Nuwave Duracore 6-quart Dutch oven. Begin by first preheating the Dutch oven on a cooktop. Add oil into the pot. Then add onions, celery, and carrots, and stir the contents to sauté the vegetables. Next, add tomatoes, kidney beans, pasta, garlic, and the vegetable broth. Afterward, bring the soup to a boil. Then, reduce the heat to let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Once the soup is ready, add in the greens to cook them until they are wilted. Season the soup with salt and pepper. When ready, ladle the soup into a bowl. Sprinkle Parmesan cheese as a final touch. The vegetable minestrone soup is now ready to serve. Enjoy!
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.